from Jellit Machinery Company. We are focused on producing automatic film laminating machine and oil coating machine. Today I will share our automatic laminating machine which delivered to Turkey and running video in our workshop. Machine includes 4 parts. The first part is the automatic paper feeding unit, and this is a high-speed feeder, and 4 stacks and 4 delivery. And the back of the automatic paper feeding unit, here is the paper delivery bridge, and we can see the very important device of the overlap device. It can make sure the overlap precision. And the paper side guider and this device overlap automatic by control by the servo motor. And after all the paper delivery bridge, this coater, this part is a gluing coater. This machine can processing the window paper card. This coater is gluing the glue on the surface of the paper, and then the paper with the glue enter into the gyro oven. The window paper like this, it can cross, and this is a window paper. And the window paper across this coater, the surface has glue, and then enter into the oven like this. Make the paper surface dry, and the next enter into the automatic laminator host. The film can combine with the paper together, and this is the first function of the window paper laminating. Okay, next. If our paper is like this, it is a full surface laminating. We no need to open this function, so we close here. Or we can close the key or the window laminating key on the here. So this then the function will close, and we can use the full laminating. And the full laminating, we gluing the glue on the film surface and the paper without glue, and then also use the laminator host, combine film and paper combined together. And this is the hot of the laminator. We can see it is a vertical type. It means machine has 2 functions. The first function is water-based gluing and dry laminating. The second function of this machine is thermal laminating. So we see it is a water-based gluing system. And if we no need to use this system, we only use a pre-code thermal film laminating. We no need to open this function. That change is very convenient. Depends on your product needs. You can use the water-based film, and you also can use the thermal film. Now we see this machine matching with the hot knife. Hot knife unit includes the round knife. So this machine suitable for the BOPP film, OPP film, PET film, metal film, and PVC film. It can slitting by the hot knife. And now we see this part is the automatic paper automatic collection unit. And this machine, customer options the automatic plate change. Automatic plate change, no need to buy the menu, and it can save the labor. So it is a very useful choice. I will show you the video.